Here we are going to determine whether relations are a function. So basically, a relation in math terms is xy coordinates. One thing is like related to the other one. Um, so the definition of a function is where the relation can only have where each x value only has one y value, but each y value can have more than one x value. Now that sounds pretty confusing right away, but let's take a look. So we have this relation here. We're going to determine whether or not it is a function. Okay, so we're going to map it 3 to 1 coming from there. Now we're going to do 0 maps to 2 and 2 maps to 4. So really the easy way to think about it, did x repeat? Do we have 2 2s? No. Do we have 2 zeros? No. Do we have 2 negative 3s? No. So clearly this is in fact a function. Hi. So what I like to, a lot of my students are like, wait, is it that I can't repeat y's or I can't repeat x's? I like to make the joke that if you have a repeat with an x, that's not functional. Get it? Okay, so that's how I remember it. So we're going to map this again. So now I'm going to do this. This was the one from the last slide. So -1 maps to 5. 1 maps to 3. And 4 maps to 5. See how I didn't have to write 5 twice? But the question is, did an x repeat itself? No. So this is a function. 5 to 6, -3 to 0, 1 to 1. My handwriting is just so awful. And then -3 again. You see that? You see that? So -3 also maps to 6. So since this -3 mapped to two different things, right? It repeated itself. That is not a function, right? Repeating x, not functional. All right, so now we're going to graph this. So -2, 1 goes here. -1, -1 goes here. 0, 1 goes here. -1, +1 goes here. So if you take a look, we can see just from looking at the points that these have repeated themselves. So this is obviously not a function. But if we just want to look at the graph, we can see that the -1 x value is here and here. So since they are right on top of each other like that, since they're on the same line, they're sharing the same x value, not a function. So keeping that in mind, where you can't have them sharing the same x, there's something called a vertical line test. So if I could draw vertical lines and not have the line go through the grid twice, it means that it is a function. So I just cut this, right? I only hit this one place. So cool. That's a function. That's a function. This, though, there's no way I can draw a vertical line all over. Like, look how many points I'm hitting. I'm hitting every freaking point. I'm hitting all the y's. That is not a function. Okay, this one, vertical line. Oh, only one place. Oh, only hitting in one place. Only hitting in one place. Yep, that's a function. All right, again, we're going to do, you see these red graphs? Look, this blue line came through. That hit it in this place and in this place. Not a function. Here, I can draw vertical lines all day and never hit twice. That is a function. Here, look, I hit there and there. Not a function. I hit there and there. Not a function.